Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of audio with the BERIBES upgraded hybrid active noise-canceling headphones. Let's see what makes these headphones stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about design and comfort. These headphones boast a sleek, modern design with professional-grade protein ear pads that provide maximum comfort, even during long listening sessions. Plus, they're lightweight and feature 90 degrees inward rotation and 120 degrees inward folding ear cups, making them incredibly portable for travel. Now, let's delve into the features that set these headphones apart. One of the standout features is the active noise-canceling technology, which silences up to 95% of ambient noise, perfect for when you need to focus or simply enjoy your music without distractions. But what if you need to stay aware of your surroundings? That's where the transparent mode comes in handy. With the touch of a button, you can let in ambient noise, allowing you to hear announcements or conversations without removing the headphones. Next up, let's talk about performance. These headphones deliver premium sound quality with deep bass, thanks to the 40mm drivers. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or taking calls, you'll experience immersive sound at any volume. And speaking of calls, the built-in microphone ensures crystal clear voice quality, while the impressive battery life keeps you connected for up to 70 hours on a single charge in standard mode. But what about connectivity? These headphones offer both wireless Bluetooth and wired 3.5mm audio cable options, giving you the flexibility to use them with a wide range of devices. Pairing your device is a breeze, and with Bluetooth 5.3 technology, you can enjoy fast, stable connections with minimal lag. Overall, the BERIBES upgraded hybrid active noise-canceling headphones offer a winning combination of comfort, performance, and versatility at an unbeatable price point. Whether you're commuting, working out, or simply relaxing at home, these headphones have you covered. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy listening.